Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got a new quick video for you guys. Doing a little brake line install on my G37. Actually had like a little bit of a, I don't know, I guess like a little issue. A little surprise. I was driving around. I parked on a hill, and then I went to go put it back in drive to leave. It wasn't going into drive. I stepped on the brakes a little bit harder, and bam, they just fell through. And then we took a look, and the brake line burst. And I didn't just have the OEM lines. I had these stainless steel lines from Z1 too. But they did have like a little surface crack on them that I had fixed like a long time ago. But I don't know. I guess it is what it is. It was just kind of a little bit of a dangerous situation because I was on a hill. But besides that, I made it home, and now we're gonna change the lines. I think surrender already.
Yeah, almost there.
Almost there, right? Yeah. The only thing that sucks about this is I had to order a whole new set from Z1 because they wouldn't give me just one, so I had to buy all four. I guess the good thing about that is that they weren't really too expensive, only $100. So, but still, that's $100 when they shouldn't even have like replaced them. And the crazy thing is, they actually told me that that the brake lines are a wear and tear item. Never heard that before in my life. Never heard of somebody having to replace their brake line because it wore out. And these are supposed to be better than OEM lines, so like how can they just, you know what I mean, how can they even say that? Whatever, we're not gonna get into that. Yeah, so we just gotta replace this line, and then gotta bleed all the calipers again because air did get in the system. So I guess when we start removing the lines and then putting the new ones on, we'll update you guys. All right, cool. What's going on, guys? So quick little update for you guys. We got the, sorry for that close-up, my bad. We finally got the brake line off. So as you could tell, it had a couple of fixes. One and another one. I think this is the one where it burst through.
Somehow you had to make it home.
Yeah, I had to make it home, so you know what I mean, I had to do what I had to do. This is like 3 layers of like plumber's tape or some kind, like for hoses and shit, and then like flex seal on top of flex seal on top of flex seal. Yep, so that's that. Now a little quick advice for the DIYers at home: you need a 10mm flare nut wrench. I don't know if you can see this one. Yeah, right there, 10mm flare nut wrench to get the brake line off, because you will have trouble getting it off, and because it's like rusted and there's like shit all over.
Easy to strip.
Yes, very easy to strip and round off, right, Seren?
Yeah.
So yeah, so definitely get that, be prepared. And besides that, it's really a pretty straightforward job. You just connect it on one side, connect it on the other side, a couple 10mm bolts, and you're done. And then you just gotta bleed them. 12, excuse me, my bad. Yeah, so a couple 12mm and good to go. I think we have like a little bit of an update on the giveaway. We kind of have a little bonus. Should we tell them about it or not?
Oh, we should make them wait.
Make them wait, right? A little bit. Yeah, so you guys just gotta wait till the end of the video, I guess, and then we'll let you guys know what it is. So stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back. Me and Soren still here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Time to go home, man. Warm up.
You ready to go home, right?
Yeah, but
it took a little longer than we thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, we took our time, so made sure everything is good.
Yeah, because we had to bleed all four wheels and the calipers, not the wheels, the calipers, obviously. So kind of like missed opportunity to show them like as we were doing it.
Yeah.
Because we were like really into it.
Yeah.
But whatever, you guys really understand like how to do it. You open the brake. So yeah, so with the you start from the back right, then go to the back left, come over here, do the front right, then the front left. You're basically chasing the air out from the back all the way to the master in the front. It's good to have 2 people, like we were saying.
Yeah.
Right?
That's easier, much easier. One stays by the caliper, the other one pushes the brake, and you can see through the clear hose. If there's any bubbles coming out, get all the bubbles out and get everything going.
Yep, that's pretty much it. Just have like a empty bottle so you can put the one end of the hose, the other end of the hose goes in the calipers. So one person is inside, he's pumping the brakes like 10 or 15 times. Then you hold the brake while the other person opens up the how do you call that thing? Like the little opening.
I guess the nipple.
The nipple, right? Yeah, the little nipple. Yeah. The one person opens up the nipple, you look through the hose, you see if there's any bubbles, you close it up, and then you repeat the process many times until there's no more bubbles. That's pretty much it, guys. Quick little video. You know what I mean? We figured we'd make one, right?
Yeah, why not? Back to the street.
Yep, back to the street she goes. I'm actually gonna have like another video that I'm gonna probably record later. I'm gonna be doing like full throttle pulls. Yeah, but cause it's a new motor, like I was saying, cause the other one unfortunately blew up. It's in heaven now. Yeah. So the little surprise that we have for you guys, we were saying that we were gonna leave it till the end of the video.
Yeah, let's do it now.
Right? Seren was like, "Yo, fuck it, let's just tell them." So we have added bonus to the giveaway. We're gonna be adding these vents. They're basically bungs. They go on the valve cover. Here, let me show you on my car. So this is basically it. This is from the EPS kit though, so the ones we have will be different. They will not have a 90. They will just come straight out, and you will be able to like it's basically like a 10 yen. So like if screws into the valve cover, and then the other side you can either screw on another hose or do whatever you want with it. That's pretty much it. I think it's a cool little bonus. What do you think?
Yeah, why not? You know,
Right?
we can give it away, give something nice away.
Yeah. And so you guys have a little, you know what I mean? Like, so you guys have some extra stuff, and you guys, you know what I mean? Subscribe and remember the channel. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, please subscribe. I'm Alex.
Seren.
And we'll catch you guys soon. Later.